Warning: this video is demonstration and educational purpose only. Mishandling live main voltage may cause injuries to body or death. Inexperienced person or electrical student, do not try this work at home or anywhere. Always call professional electrician or certified electrician to do the electrical work. Hello guys, welcome to Easy Electrical Fix. If you watch previous video about how to do wiring to control one light with one switch, you guys already know how to do it by do the wiring and the connection. So let's make a change to the light wiring. How about one switch control 4 lights? Sounds difficult, right? Nope, it's not that difficult. The process is same. All we need some extra wires, bulb holder and some lights. So the final result will be like this. Looks great, right? Watch this video until to the end and follow every step by step to do the wiring to control 4 lights with one switch. Let's get started. For starters, we need tools. The tools are going to use is metal cutter, plier, test pen, Phillips and flathead screwdriver, hammer and wire cutter. So we got the tools to do the job. Next, move to the accessories and cables. For the accessories, need 3 screw type bulb holder and 3 screw type LED stick light. So each bulb holder have terminal at the back of the bulb holder. Next, a roll of lead strip to anchor the wire on wood surface and some small nails. For cable, going to use 1.5 mm size green color wire as earth wire, blue color wire as live wire for the lights, and black color wire for neutral wire. Before do the wiring, prepare all the 3 bulb holder by break a small gap at the bulb holder base to allow wire inside using the plier. First, use metal cutter and cut the lead strip in enough length. Secondly, prepare live, earth and neutral wire for the light wiring and place on top of the surface. Place the lead strip on the wires and press the lead strip to shape it around the wires. Use hammer and nail, then hammer it the lead strip on both sides to hold the wires. Make sure don't hit the wires when hammering the nail. It can damage the wire and can cause faulty in wiring. After that, bend the wires downward to prevent the wire slip away from the lead strip. Next, make a 90-degree bend to the wire. Make sure the wire must be straight and move the wire to the next line. From there, make another 90-degree bend and measure the length of the wire. After that, cut the wire using the wire cutter. Use lead strip and hammer it on the wire to the 90-degree bend nicely. Then hit another lead strip to straighten the wire. Bend another 90 degree for the second light wire. Now add another live neutral earth wire and place together with the second light wire using the lead strip. Hammer it the lead strip on both sides to hold the wire strongly. Then bend the wires to prevent fall away from the lead strip. Now the first light wiring and the second light wiring is done. Let's go to the third light wiring and lastly to the fourth light wire connected to the one gang one-way switch. Now repeat the same step from the second light wire. Make a 90-degree bend nicely, then hammer it with lead strip. Then straighten the wire and hammer it with lead strip. Make another 90-degree bend for the third light wire while fold the wires to add another live, neutral and earth wire. So total 6 wire like the second light wire. Use the lead strip and hammer it on both sides to hold the wire. Bend the third light wire and cut the each wire separately using the wire cutter. Now the remaining third wire will go together into the fourth light wire which connected to the one gang one-way switch. The lead strip is already nailed together with the wires. Now the third wire must go to the fourth light. Remove the LED light bulb, unscrew the lamp holder and disconnect the lamp holder from the wire. Now make again the 90-degree bend to the wire until the wire reaches to the fourth light. Then cut the wire in desired length. Use lead strip and hammer the third wire together with the fourth wire on both sides. The 4 light wiring is done. The fourth light wire has 6 wire, the third light wire have 6 wire, the second light wire has 6 wire, and the last first light wire has 3 wire. These wires are need to loop in together with same wire color. So let's do the loop in connection to all these 4 light wire. In order to loop in the light wire, first separate and arrange the wire in same color. Loop in different wire color may cause faulty in wiring. After arrange the wires, cut the wire in short to match all the wire in same length before do the connection. Next, strip out all the wires and expose the copper wire. The copper wire length must be the same and it will easy to join the wire. To loop in the wire, first twist the 2 copper wire by hand. Then use plier and twist the two copper wire to join the wires tightly and strongly. Do the same step to the rest of the wires with same color. This is how the process loop-in done in wiring. Repeat the same step to do the loop-in connection to all 3 light wire except the first light wire because it only has 3 wires, so no need to loop in. After this, let's connect the lamp holder to the wires. To connect the lamp holder terminal is at the bottom. The lamp holder terminal has live neutral earth label, so need to connect the wires correctly. Connect the blue wire to the live terminal, connect the green wire to the earth terminal, and connect the black wire to the neutral terminal. All the live, earth and neutral wire connection to the terminal must be tight so it won't have a loose connection. After that, position the lamp holder straight. Use screw and Phillips head screwdriver. Screw the lamp holder to the wooden surface on both sides. Screw it tightly so the lamp holder can hold the wires and the LED light strongly. Check the lamp holder, make sure it sits on the surface properly and won't fall off when insert the LED light bulb. 1 lamp holder is installed and 3 more to go. Now do the same step to connect the live neutral earth wire to connect the other lamp holder terminal tightly. Position the lamp holder correctly, then screw it to the wooden surface. All the 4 lamp holder is connected and installed to the 4 light wire. Let's insert the LED light to the lamp holder to test. Screw it the LED light to the all lamp holder. Make sure the LED light must sit correctly to the lamp holder to prevent fall off or loose connection. Now all the LED light is installed to the lamp holder. Now it's time to test. Plug in the electric supply and turn it on. Now is the moment of the truth. Turn on the light switch. Wow! Look at the lights. It's all working perfectly fine without a problem. All the 4 lights is working together make this one switch control 4 light circuit wiring is a success. So you learn and understand how to do surface wiring to control 4 light with one switch and how to do loop-in for light wiring point. This is the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment down below what's the next electrical content video you want me to do. Thanks for watching and see you again.